2004, Michigan voters decided to amend the state constitution and ban same-sex marriage. Right now, a federal judge in Detroit is deciding whether that is unconstitutional and that constitutional amendment should be thrown out. After closing arguments today, the judge will issue his ruling, they say, within 2 weeks. 7 Action News reporter Kim Russell was at federal court today and has a look back at how this all started.
It's a story 7 Action News broke more than 2 years ago. We were there on the day April DeBoer and Jane Rouse from Hazel Park sued the state of Michigan. At that time, the lesbian couple, together for more than a decade, was not asking to be married.
Are you helping? You're such a big help.
They wanted to protect the 3 small children they'd individually adopted by jointly adopting them. But a judge said under Michigan law, they had to be married to jointly adopt the kids. So they took their case to federal court and they asked for the right to marry.
Our children and children like ours are unprotected in the state of Michigan.
Our main goal is to protect our family and get our kids equal rights, just like everybody else's.
Today, a judge heard closing arguments in the case as protesters marched outside. The state argued that the voters of Michigan made the decision that marriage should be between a man and a woman for a rational reason. The couple's attorney argued it was based on bigotry. Now, this couple says that they filed this suit because it's what's best for their kids. It gives their kids stability should something happen to one of them. But ironically, the state's primary argument was that same-sex marriage shouldn't be allowed because research doesn't prove that it doesn't put kids at a disadvantage.
This case was about one simple thing, and that is that the people of Michigan, 2.7 million voters across the state, decided that it's best for kids and families to have a kid raised by a mom and a dad.
Our civil rights are being violated.
Attorneys for April and Jane say this is the defining civil rights issue of our era, and that even after the judge makes the decision, the fight won't be over.
Well, whoever loses here is going to appeal. Unless we win and Michigan gets a different attorney general.
We will be on the right side of history.
In Detroit, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.
All right.